Bullish Cardano cost expectations range between and by 2030. Market experts accept ADA could reach by 2025. Bearish Cardano market cost expectation for 2023 is Cardano presentation. The cryptographic money market is increasing continuously. Nonetheless, staying aware of this speedy industry is certainly not a simple undertaking. Hence, numerous financial backers and dealers who need to exploit the market to create huge gains are drawn to Cardano. Keep close by for an exhaustive clarification of how Cardano cost expectation functions, its specialized investigation, and what's on the horizon for Cardano on the off chance that you're attempting to enter the Cardano exchanging market. Yet, remember that assuming you want long-haul achievement and benefits, exchanging digital currencies is a tenacious undertaking that calls for both persistence and exploration. How about we plunge profound into the blog entry to comprehend whether this coin seems okay for you? What is Cardano? Cardano, frequently known as the potential Ethereum executioner, stands high in the crypto market with secure blockchain innovation, progressive savvy agreements, and application cases. Cardano, which exchanges under the image ADA, was presented by Charles Hoskinson and utilized a proof-of-stake component, in which holders of the cash are accused of confirming exchanges as a trade-off for a prize. The top digital money trades permit you to partake in marking with no cost, making it an engaging choice to produce pay. Cardano's emphasis on peer-evaluated information and proof-based approaches in its improvements separates it from other digital forms of money. Most of the digital money market goes quick, yet Cardano swings the alternate way. It moves all the more leisurely and deliberately. The benefit is that it improves engineers' probability of distinguishing likely dangers. Cardano's specialized examination, albeit a great deal of hypothesis is engaged with foreseeing valuing development for Cardano and the bigger digital money market. There are a few possible significant movers for Cardano not too far off. You can follow a reasonable and reality put together perspective with respect to your exchanging related choices through specialized investigation. Following are probably the most utilized specialized pointers, moving midpoints. This particular pointer is assembled utilizing Cardano costs got from before information. Utilizing moving midpoints, brokers can decide how the cost of Cardano has changed over the long run and where it is moving in light of the data within reach. Relative strength file. This is the diagram to check to decide if Cardano has been overbought or oversold. You can utilize the overall strength list to decide the market's tone and contribute or sell as needs be. For instance, a looming downturn is regularly anticipated by a cost increment and an overbought signal, while a cost drop and an oversold signal anticipate a looming cost gain. Moving normal union disparity. Moving normal union disparity, or MACD, alludes to contrasting a 26 and 12 period remarkable moving normal. A dependable marker tells you when merchants are progressing from buying to selling Cardano as well as the other way around. Major examination. Cardano's particular incentive is its irrefutable strength. They aren't planning to catch the whole market for brilliant agreements and dApps. All things being equal, they focus on building a functional decentralized monetary area for the creating scene. The Cardano settlement layer and Cardano calculation layer setup keep up with everything coordinated and adaptable regarding innovation. The Cardano group has held the record part of the blockchain unmistakable from the process part of the blockchain because of their obligation to straightforwardness. Additionally, Cardano pushes out around 700 commitments each week and arrives at roughly 100 and 150 designers reliably dealing with the venture. Because of these huge quantities of designers, the coin is probably going to overwhelm Ethereum in market strength and is the most effectively evolved blockchain project. Cardano is as of now worth USD. ADA has moved as of now with an exchanging volume of. Cardano is at present positioned among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling disparity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Cardano to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous Cardano market information and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Cardano Value Expectation 2023. Cardano, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The ADA cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging in cost is very aggressive, however it is doable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progression. ADA is supposed to have a base worth of. Cardano Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024. Cardano ADA cost forecast has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ADA will before long outperform. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the ADA's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ADA will exchange with a base exchanging cost of and a typical exchanging cost of. Cardano value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach and ADA might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ADA is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of and a low of in 2025. Cardano value expectation 2026. In the event that Cardano effectively supports market opinion among digital money devotees, the ADA coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ADA will be green in 2026. The ADA is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be worth, with a base cost of and a typical cost of. Cardano value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the ADA cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of by 2027, with a base cost of anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ADA has a most extreme value worth of. Cardano value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around. In the event that ADA figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of. Neglecting to accumulate the help ADA needs by 2028 could bring about a low of. Cardano value forecast 2029. While ADA is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at and a yearly cost close above in 2029. Cardano value expectation 2030. By 2030, Cardano will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of, averaging out at. Cardano value expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future price tags with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest ADA cost in 2031 is projected to be in case of a bull run with a typical value level, and Cardano may not encounter a moment blast, but rather it can possibly keep contending with the best digital currencies. Cardano's innovation and future endeavors are energizing by their own doing, as are other productive cryptographic money choices. In this way, while you probably shouldn't rush out and purchase your ADA today, it's valuable on your radar as innovation advances. Keep in mind, it's not possible for anyone to ensure productivity when you are exchanging a digital currency, so it's smarter to investigate than to lament. What is the Cardano cost today? Today, Cardano is exchanging it with an all-out market capitalization of. Is Cardano a wise speculation? Cardano ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In view of this, it is shrewd to say that ADA is a decent decision of venture. How high could Cardano